Hey, what's going on everybody, Bad83 here with an exciting little tutorial to show you guys how to install the iMESTOU USB quick charger. This actually is pretty dope, yo. I found this thing on Amazon for about 30 bucks. I will post a link right here in the description. Beep. The cool part about it is that it's also a phone holder as well. It's one of those heavy duty like Gorilla Grips type clip thing majig. So with me putting in the sound system, I've been having a few difficulties with getting my phone charged. We're gonna crack this thing open, take a look to see what is inside of it. Alright you guys, so as you see here, we have the phone clip and the phone charger. This also supports wireless charging as well. We have the brackets for the mounts. Of course, they give us instructions that we can't understand, so ain't gotta worry about that. A couple zip ties and a spare fuse. From what I just found out, that the fuse is actually installed in here, so just keep this one in case, you know, it goes out, you have a spare fuse. We're gonna go ahead and take this out to the 883. We're gonna get it installed and hopefully this works out for me. Alright you guys, we are right here with the Iron 883, the Bagster, and we're about to get ready to get this thing installed. Now from my understanding, the only thing I think that we're going to need is just a Phillips head screwdriver. So I got my Phillips right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this old one off, this old little thing. Take that off, pop the seat off. When we pop the seat off, we need to get to the battery terminal. So pop the seat off, pop the side cover off. Run the wires. We're gonna run it under the tank. Let's get to it. All right, so we have these separate. All right, so I just realized that this is actually the rear view mirror pole, so we won't be needing this. The only thing we'll just be needing is real simple, just this, an actual charge piece. Alright, so once we get ready, once we have to mount it, we're going to take this screw and just basically, you see all I did was basically just unscrew it, place that in. And after we do that, we're going to basically take it, and with a little bit of force, we just got to pop it in. It's just kind of slide it over a little bit, get enough space, tighten it down, and then hopefully this should be a nice comfortable spot. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. So we already got everything tightened down, nice and snug. This is actually pretty cool because check this out. You can push that out to be able to put the phone in there. And then once we get it in there, the phone pushes up on here and locks into place. So that's actually pretty cool, like that. All right, now the next step, which should be the final step, is basically we need to take these leads right here, and we're gonna take it, we're gonna wire it under the tank, go down all the way under. We're gonna take the seat off. We're gonna tap it into the battery. Once we tap it into the battery, put the seat back on. Charge should be good. And after that, we can try it, make sure it works, and go somewhere because I'm tired of sitting in the house. All right, now black is ground. Okay, red is positive. Do not cross your wires. Just make sure we're gonna put the black wire on the negative side. You can tell it's the negative because you can look at the wire. You see this black right here. This is black, and on the other one you see red. That basically means positive. So just follow the colors, okay? All right, now when hooking up any electronics, this is the first thing that I recommend you do. If you look right here, this is your main fuse. Pull that before you do anything. This is just to make sure that you don't damage any electronics that's connected to your motorcycle. You're just gonna go ahead and just take this cover off. That is your main fuse for your motorcycle. We're gonna go ahead and pull that off first before we connect anything. I like to just take it and drop it inside and just put that to the side. We're gonna basically just try to feed it under. This is thin enough, it should be able to fit right under. Okay, so we have the positive cable going underneath the frame, like right over the battery. We're going to connect that to the positive terminal. Same exact thing. Now the thing is with the negative terminal, we don't got to go inside of it because it's just sitting off right here to the side. So what's going to happen is we're going to do it and it's going to route kind of over like the battery itself. It come up right here, then we'll zip tie it up to these right here. We can go ahead and plug our fuse back up to the bike. Boom, and there you have it, Joe. 883, we just upgraded it to the wireless charging for the iPhone and the Samsungs and all the little doohickeys. So we got this, we just upgraded a fabulous joint. Hopefully this baby right here will give us some work. And I see a blue light on, which means that we're Gucci. There's a switch on the back of it that allows you to switch between the wireless charging, the USB charging, and then of course off, which is very good for our battery because we don't want to drain our battery. So right in the middle is off, okay? I believe up is USB and down should be the wireless charging. Whenever you're not using it, please make sure that you have it switched to off. Have it set in the middle because the last thing you want is for your battery to be dead. We got some good charging, nice little charger right here. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, smash the bell icon so you get all of the notifications. I'm going to post a link to this wireless charger in the description. You guys be sure to go on Amazon, check that out. If you like it, go ahead and get it, pick it up, follow the tutorial, install it, ride out, listen to some music. Make sure your phone don't fall off like mine did in the middle of the beltway. Until next time, you guys, y'all stay safe. Make sure y'all keep a lookout for all of these crazies out here, and I'll catch you guys later.